Samsung's Galaxy S23 flagship series is nearing its launch, as past rumors suggested an early release in February 2023. As we move closer to the release, leakster Eyes Universe has claimed that the camera on the Galaxy S23 series will have a 25% performance increase. According to popular leakster, the Galaxy S23, S23 Plus, and S23 Ultra are rumored to have 8K video recording at 30 frames per second. The Galaxy S23 series also said to support 4K video recording at 120 frames per second, and this was not available on the Galaxy S22 series. For those who are unaware, the ability to shoot 4K videos at 120 frames per second would allow users to slow down the footage to 30 or 24 frames per second. Samsung Galaxy S23 series specifications, rumored. All three models will be powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC and Exynos 2300, depending on the region. Only select markets like the US will get the Snapdragon chipset. Others, including India, will most likely get the Exynos 2300 powered units. The vanilla S23 is expected to have a 6.1-inch display. It will be an AMOLED panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate. The S23 Plus will feature a larger 6.6-inch FHD Plus AMOLED panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate. Both will have flat-style screens. On the other hand, the Galaxy S23 Ultra will have a curved AMOLED panel. It will have a high 120 Hz refresh rate. Not much is known about the S23 Ultra's display, but we should learn more as we move closer to the release. As for the battery, the S23 is expected to pack a 3700 mAh cell, bigger than the predecessor. The battery packs for the S23 Plus and S23 Ultra are unknown as of yet. All will feature wired, wireless, and reverse wireless fast charging support. The lineup will boot on Android 13 out of the box. Samsung Galaxy S23 series is expected to launch in early 2023. Rumors hint at 17th February 2023 release date.